Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. Today we're going to unbox this Sawtooth Strat copy, and there's supposed to be a little practice amp in here. We're doing this outside, hopefully before it rains again. So without further ado, I've already cut the tape on this box, so here we go. We got one box. Got another box. I think this is probably a gig bag, but we'll see. I'll be out of the frame, I guess, for a second. So another box, obviously, with a guitar in it. All kinds of stuff in this box. Got a little clip-on tuner, guitar strap. Not exactly sure what this is. This may be the gig bag that I thought was in the other box. Trying to get this done quickly enough so that we don't have a problem sending the files. So a little sampler of picks. Free online guitar lessons from Diodario. Put these back in here. This is the little practice amp that's supposed to come with it. Trying to keep the packaging intact because I got to pack all this back up and give it to Leo. So here's the little practice amp. It looks like it's got a metal grill cloth, but it's actually fabric. Got a little handle on it. It's got regular controls, gain, treble, middle, bass, volume, drive, select. I guess you can select two different drive settings. One less distorted, one more distorted. Got a cord, as you might hope. Anyway, like I said, I got to pack all this back up again, so put it back in its bag. Still don't know what's in here. Guess we'll find out in a second. And it is a gig bag. They all kind of look the same. It's a chromacast gig bag. Which begs the question, what the hell is in here? So let's take a look. It's a guitar stand. Okay, so guitar, amp, guitar stand, gig bag, picks, tuner, guitar strap. Pretty complete little bundle. And this is the Sawtooth Strat copy. And I'm going to unbag this when I do the playthrough. You'll see it in a little while. But anyway, that is the unboxing of the Sawtooth Strat copy with a little practice amp, guitar stand, guitar tuner, gig bag, guitar picks, and guitar strap. Hey folks, Stan Ryan here. Today we're going to be looking at the Sawtooth Strat copy. I just did an unboxing, didn't show that it came with a cord. Came with a lot of other stuff. Anyway, so now we're doing the unbagging. The box is too big to fit here in my trailer, so we're going to take a look, and then I'm going to stop the tape and we'll do a little playthrough of something for you. So, this fabric that they wrap them in, just so sticky, doesn't want to come off very much. So there it is. Looks just like a Strat. It's got a maple neck. It's the finish on the neck is on the back of the neck is not gloss. Hold on one second, folks. Okay, we're back. The AC in the trailer is quite loud, so I didn't want it to be interfering with the recording, which means it'll get hot here in a minute. One of the nice things about this is that the pick guard and the pickups and the knobs all are kind of this aged cream color, which looks very nice with the finish of this Strat. It's a kind of a standard Strat sunburst, but they've done a very nice job of making it look right. Even the backing plate is the same kind of aged cream finish. It's got chrome hardware. I haven't tried to tune it up or anything yet. I haven't done anything with it except take it out of the bag. It's got some little, I don't know if they're problems on the finish or they're just like fingerprints or something. In general, the finish is very nice. Got these two little imperfections here. They may just rub right off. We'll see. The neck is kind of strange in that it's almost unfinished wood. It's sanded down well. I mean, it feels nice, but usually the neck will have at least some kind of finish on it. Got a little S on the cover for the truss rod for Sawtooth. I'm assuming somewhere in the packaging there's a whammy bar because it's got a little slot for one. Anyway, the main thing about this guitar, just at first glance, is how light it is. This guitar and the Glary which is maybe the first guitar we ever reviewed on this channel, both are Strat copies, and excuse me, they're incredibly light, which probably makes it good for a student guitar. But for a professional instrument, you want to have enough wood so that some of the vibration of your playing is absorbed by the wood. Anyway, got a 5-position switch. Switch is a little tight, but it seems to work. We'll check that in a minute. So here's the Sawtooth Strat copy, and we're going to stop now. I'm going to tune it up and we'll play something for you. So I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan will be putting this together. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little bell icon to be notified of our future videos. It's a kind of a gray day here in San Antonio, and that's when the mold and the different things that bother my voice come out more than any time. Anyway, we're going to stop now. We'll be back in a minute, which will play something for you. Thanks a lot. Okay, folks, we're back. Dan Ryan here. Today we're looking at the Sawtooth Strat copy. It's a nice looking guitar. It's having a little trouble staying in tune, despite the fact that it was pretty close to in tune when I pulled it out of the packaging, which indicates that the tuning heads might be slipping a little bit. Kind of hard to tell, just at first glance. That could resolve itself just because the string's finally stretched out enough. Anyway, we're going to play a little something for you now. Take it through its paces. We've got to be kind of quick about doing this right now because we have a certain file size that beyond which we have to break them in parts. So here we go. have it. It's the Sawtooth Strat copy. Not a bad little guitar, not a great guitar, but for the price, I think it's somewhere around 125 bucks for the whole package, including a practice amp, a stand, a cord, a guitar strap. Anyway, I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan will be putting this together on the other side. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of our future videos. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time.